Hi everybody, this video tutorial I will show you how to write a number. Remember, we never use number like this 0, 1, 2, 3. We never use any number. If anybody say $500, we don't be use $500. Number should be write by a word. I show the guideline, the number condition. So if a speaker say 5, it should be 5. If you say fifth, it should be fifth. 306 306, we should be type the 306. If play FM radio 109.4 FM, so FM should be initial. Use the initial from I already told before our video tutorial how to write initial. But so 109.4 or 109.4, then FM will be initial. So number should be write by a word. So I will put the description, this detail on the video description. Let's go to our bench. If anybody say the phone number 9526, we put the 9526, then we put the English tag because it is an English word. If the speaker say 9526 as like by the number by the Thai, we have to put writing the number by Thai, but don't be typed by the language by Thai number. It should be typed by the word. As English, we are using the word for the number as the same. If the speaker say Thai or other language, we also be typed by the number by a word. So never use any number. Number should be word. If English, it should be English. If Thai, it should be Thai. If it is say by another language, we put the another language. Hope you understand. I will put the description box the how to write a number. Thanks for watching the video.